After completing this lesson, you'll be able to place MEP connectors using features on the design. Include values for those connectors, such as flow, the type of connection, and voltage information for the connection. Accessing the BIM content tools, we'll create a duct connector. We'll choose a circular and pick the larger hole toward the middle of the top of the assembly. This will be where the exhaust of the gas comes out, and we'll set the diameter so people can prepare to have the right size fitting. This will be an exhaust output. We'll make sure the direction is set to out and give it a description. Next, we'll create an intake. We'll just accept the size that's listed and set the system type to return. Leaving the connection type banded, we'll make sure the direction is in and apply a description. Now switch the shape to rectangular and select the face on the left end of the assembly. This will measure the height and width values for the size, and we'll switch those on so people can size ductwork properly. We'll set the system type to a supply. It will be flanged. We'll type in 600 to establish the 600 cubic feet per minute flow, and we'll make sure it's going out before we place a description. On the opposite end, we'll place another rectangular duct, again using the size. This time the system type will be a return, again flanged. We'll make sure the direction is set to in and set up a description. The next type of connection will be an electrical connection. First, we'll deal with the controls, selecting the small hole nearest to the right end on the bottom. This will be our control input. Then we'll select the small hole to the left of it. This will be our balanced power input. This will be a 120 volt system with 3 wires, and a 20 amp load will be required. We'll also make sure to set the value to true for the motor. The last item we need to add is a gas line. We'll select our pipe connector, set the nominal size to 1, and the system type to Other. There is no specific gas connector, so we can use this as a wildcard to make sure that we can add any information that we might need that isn't automatically included as an option with the connector. We'll set the flow direction to in and the connector type to be threaded. Finally, adding the description, we have all of the MEP connectors placed to be able to share this information with our customers.